Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm Alberto and today I'm gonna show you guys my Project 1 submission for the CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. I'll leave the link to this course on edX in the description down below in case you are interested in enrolling, which is a very good option if you want to learn about web programming. But that's it for now, so let's jump straight into the project. So now we will use my import.py script to create all tables and import all 5,000 books into a database that I've just created just to show you guys. So now we can see how it's adding them all from the CSV file. Now we can go ahead and see the actual website. Welcome back. This is the homepage or landing page, doesn't matter what you call it, of EasyGrāmatas, where we have some information about us as well as some statistics about our platform. We have an embedded login form as well, so that you can directly log in from the homepage instead of going to the special login page. But first, let's go ahead and sign up. Alright, so now we will use our username Jack and an example email and password 12345. I'll repeat it. And now we can go ahead and log in with our newly created account. I'll type here Jack and our password 12345. Alright, so now we're in. This is our search page. When you're logged in, you can see your username show up on the top of the screen and you can log out from there. So now we will search for Pride and Prejudice, for instance, and we can see it shows up by Jane Austen, first published in 1813, and the ISBN number. And now we can click the button and that will let us into the book details. Here we have some more information as well as ratings from Goodreads via the API. And the important part here is maybe the reviews, where you can see reviews written by other people, just like Mark and John. And now we can just give it a random rating, for instance 3, and write kind of boring and submit it. Now when we submit this review, we see we have submitted, so we can't either write or submit a new one, because that would return a 409 error. And we can also search by ISBN. So we copied the ISBN from Pride and Prejudice and we can see how it shows up. And we can delete our browsing history, which will also delete every time you log out as the session clears. Alright, so lastly, let's take a look at the API. Here we have some fancy API documentation I wrote just because it looks cool. So let's go ahead and use the ISBN we previously copied. And we can see we get the desired information from the API method, which is for Pride and Prejudice. But now if we change the last digit, for instance, so that the ISBN is not in our database, we receive a 404 error. Saying that the book was not found. So lastly, let's go back to the home page and log out from our username. Now we can log in again or whatever. Alright, so that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.